welcome to Review at Online. This is an utmost review channel. I'm going to show a video which is not a colorful but very substantive and informative. Now let's get top 7 best cordless upright vacuum cleaners on Amazon one by one. But before this, if you are first time in this channel, please subscribe, and if you already subscribed, then thank you very much. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Hoover Air Cordless Steerable Upright Vacuum Cleaner. See the ratings: 4 out of 5 stars with 83 customer reviews and 22 answered questions. The Air Cordless vacuum contains all the technology you'd expect to find in a Hoover Upright. It includes a steerable design and a weight of just 9.9 pounds and a removable cleaning tools, all backed by a 5 years limited warranty. Removed only the cord but kept everything else. It's a simple sense that senses everything. Lifetime warranty technology provides an average of 25 minutes of fade-free battery power on carpet and hard floors. Wind Tunnel 3 technology uses 3 channels of suction to lift and remove deep down embedded dirt. Cyclone technology delivers constant powerful suction, high capacity, easy empty and easy clean. Dirt cup holds up to 1.05 liters. It includes a 2-in-1 dusting and crevice tool that cleans crevices, paints and furniture surface with ease. If we see the product information, product dimension: C, item weight only 9.6 pound, shipping weight 18.5 pounds, and the model number BAS50111. And if we see the customer reviews, we'll easily understand about the product. Well recommended and or by again Amazon customer. Pretty good for the price. Good little vacuum. The only vacuum most people will like. And another reviews, I love to vacuum. Number 2, BLACK+DECKER Powerwise Pro 2-in-1 cordless vacuum blue. If we see the ratings, that is 4.1 out of 5 stars with 245 customer reviews and 127 answered questions. The BLACK+DECKER Pro 20-volt lithium 2-in-1 vacuum is one of our most powerful cordless vacuum. It delivers strong suction and up to 60 minutes of run time, so you can get the cleaning done. Detach the portable canister for complete floor to ceiling versatility. The canister also features a unique dust compactor, so it can hold more dirt and you can empty less often. Simply empty dirt and debris in a trash bin with the touch of a button. The smart tech features make cleaning easier. AutoSense automatically adjusts suction from the bare floor to thick carpet to optimize runtime. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, and Filterness alerts you when it's time to clean the filter. An extension wand and 4-foot hose for overhead reach and versatility helps make clean easier. Okay, now let's see product information. Product dimension: you see item weight only 8 pounds, shipping weight 11.51 pounds. Manufacturer BLACK+DECKER, and the item model number. Batteries 1 lithium and battery secure included. Fine. And if we doubt about customer reviews, TK Paul, he has given 4.5 star. Maggie, best small cordless vacuum ever. By Jessica, stop, this is the vacuum you are looking for in this category. And Lisa Kelly, great vacuum, walls and crevices are not okay. And the Northman's also gave the 5 star and love this vacuum, cordless vacuum by another person who have seen. And the next, number 3, eufy HomeVac lightweight cordless upright vacuum. Ratings 4.2 out of 5 stars with more than 300 customer reviews with 78 answered questions. Actually, from eufy, the brand that lights up your life, a delightful section that make your house a home, smart technology and innovative design that make your life easier. 28.8 volt and 2200 milliampere lithium-ion battery delivers high suction power to clean effectively for 22 minutes on high power. Eco mode doubles the runtime to 50 minutes. The larger 0.9 liter dust holder empties directly into the trash can, keeping your hands clean. Okay, now let's see the product information. You see the product dimension. Item weight only 5.82 pounds. This is a ultra lightweight cordless upright vacuum cleaner. Batteries, 1 lithium-ion battery is required. And if you see the customer reviews, that is Green Thumb, from Green Thumb, replacement model working great and gave 5 stars. Junine gave 5 stars. The eufy cordless home vacuum is perfect for all the ceramic tile floor in my home. And if we see another here, he gave 4 stars. And Catley, waste of money, he is very disappointed, but most of person gave their ratings high. And the next, number 4, Roomie cordless 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Ratings 3.9 with more than 800 customer reviews with about 200 questions answered questions. Clean those hard to reach areas with ease. Wand and hose helps you reach overhead areas like windows and blinds. Eco mode great for daily use, savings battery while vacuuming floors, tiles and other hard surfaces. Turbo mode, extra suction power for uses on carpets and rugs, picking up pet hairs, cut litters and etc. 6 LED lights and brightness in the path around the corners and under your furniture. Protect your floor, all wheels and wrapped with rubber to prevent leaving and marks on your flooring. Auto recharge, leave Pensant on the charging base after its use. It will automatically recharge and stop when fully charged. Storage fall down from a upright position so you can put it away in your elect easily. Let's see the product information. This is an ultra lightweight cordless vacuum, only with weight of 4.5 pounds and batteries, 1 lithium-ion battery required. And see the customer reviews. He has written about pros and cons about the item. Jane gave 5 stars. Good suction power, easy to clean, absolutely fine. And another Crystal, he has also gave 5 stars. Get vacuum for daily cleaning. Number 5, also from eufy HomeVac lightweight cordless upright vacuum cleaners. Huge amount of customer reviews with answered questions. Centrifugal forces is spin dust away from the motor, keeping it unclogged to ensure a consistent and powerful suction. Home vacuum uses 2 filters and 1 high performance filter to achieve a clean home. A 28.8 lithium-ion battery delivers high suction power to clean effectively for 22 minutes on runtime. Eco mode doubles the runtime to 50 minutes. Clean for 22 minutes using high power, or double the runtime to 50 minutes in eco mode. The large 0.9 liter dust holder means you spend for time vacuuming and lesser time taking out the trash. Okay, let's see the product dimension. You see the dimension, and item weight only 5.82 pounds, and the battery is 1 lithium-ion battery is required. And if you see the customer reviews, Stop jack so powerful and easy to maneuver, he gave 5 stars. And another person gave 4 stars and written on pros and cons. So let's go to next. Hoover cordless vacuum cleaner. If you see the ratings, that is 3.8 out of 5 stars with more than 300 customer reviews. And the air cordless lift lets you easily maneuver and objects, while wind tunnel technology powerfully picks up dirt and debris. Then remove the lift canister with the touch of a button to take full power cleaning where you need to. And it's all powerful by lithium batteries technology to give you an average of 50 minutes of fade-free cordless conveyance on carpets and hard floors every time you clean. Lets you extend your cleaning reach with a removable wand and tools. It includes Bagless upright vacuum to extended runtime, lifetime batteries, lifetime charger, reusable filter, 2-in-1 tool, and providing dusting tool. And the product description, you see the product description, dimension, item weight, shipping weight, manufacturer, the Hoover, and the batteries, 2 lithium-ion batteries also included, very good. And the customer reviews, I think the customer reviews is not so good regarding this product. So before buying, please think about yourself and read out all the customer reviews of all products. Now we'll go to the next item, number 7. And the last one, number 7, SUAOKI 2-in-1 cordless upright vacuum cleaner. Ratings 4.3, very high with only 26 customer reviews and 16 answered questions. The SUAOKI vacuum cleaner is a lightweight, only 5.6 pound, portable, powerful, and easy to use. It features a foldable handle which not only lets you clean hard to reach stops under your furniture, but also allows you to store it discreetly into a small storage spaces after use. Incredibly versatile, this unit is perfect for sweeping up dirt and debris from your floors, as well as cleaning up dust, dirt, pet hairs from polyester surfaces with the handheld device. Besides, its cordless design will provide you freedom of movement inside and outside your house to make your cleaning process much more convenient and effortless. See the product information. Item weight only 5.6 pound and the model number KB-900B. Battery is 1 lithium-ion battery is required. Yes, this is also included. And next we'll go to the customer reviews that will help to get the conception about our product. Tailor, affordable and portable, effective, get 5 stars. Is the Amazon customer. One Amazon customer is very disappointed. CC, awesome lightweight vacuum, give 5 stars. Nifty little vacuum cleaner, rose down, great for an office, give 5 star. And another Rebecca cordless and not expensive, also give 5 stars. And with this I'm going to finish. Hope you like this review video. So to get next video, please subscribe this channel and hit on like button. Thank you for watching this review video.